Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. And yesterday I was asked in the comments section to provide a video where I tell you how to resize images using Adobe Photoshop. So today in this video we are going to learn how to resize images and make their size smaller on your hard disk so they cover less space. For this we have a few pictures here. I have a folder here where these 5 pictures are present. Let's have a look. The size of this picture is 5.12 MB. The other one is 5.07, 6.81 MB, 2.7, 2.5 MB. So I have different pictures of different sizes. There are two methods. The first one, I will tell you how to resize any one picture out of these pictures. And the second one would be, what if I have 100 pictures in this folder and I have to resize all of them? Definitely I'm not gonna just take every single picture into Photoshop and resize it individually. There should be some automatic way of doing this, which can save the time for us. So first let's have a look how to resize the picture using the individual file. So for example, we want to resize the first one. This is 5.12 MB. I'll drag it into the Photoshop. Or other way, you can just click File and open from Photoshop and select the picture. It will do the same. So now we have the picture here in the Photoshop. What I'll do is we'll click on the image and then image size. So there is also a shortcut key for it, Alt Control I. So if I click image size, I have this window open. Just drag it a bit more to see more of a preview. So now we have, here is the preview of this picture. It will show its original size. You can see it shown as 100%. I mean, this is the original size of the picture. So here you can see, for example, this building. You can see that this EY, you can see the text here. This is the original picture, and on that small building you can see the state insurance. So now this is the original size of the picture, and on the right side are the details of the picture. Its width is 4496 pixels and its height is 3000 pixels. What is a pixel? It's basically the tiniest dot possible on your screen, and its resolution is 300 pixels per inch. That means if you take 1 square inch area on the screen, there will be 300 pixels in that 1 inch. So that is also a measure of measuring the quality of the picture. So what we want to do, if you want to change the pixels into inches, you can see the size in inches as well, or any other unit which is convenient to you. I'll just go with the pixels. So now we have a width of 4496 pixels, which is a quite large picture. If you just want to keep the pictures on your computer, this picture was made with a DSLR Nikon D5200, and its size is 5.12 MB. I want to keep this picture. I'm not planning to print it or just do anything else with it. So I think this is pretty large size for it. I can just resize it to a bit less than that. For example, let's say I do it 4000, and you can still see that the picture, this text on the building can be read easily. I mean, it has not affected the quality and I can still see all those features in the picture. So this size is a good one. So I'll just keep it to this size and click OK. And now I'm gonna save it, save as. So with the name, I'll just say 4000 pixels and save it. Now here is the quality. I normally take it to the maximum 10 quality, and it is showing you that the picture size would be around 1.7 MB, and you can just drag it down if you want, but that will of course reduce some quality. So I'll go with the 10 and click OK. Now let's have a look. So here is the picture. You can see 1.72 MB, and if you just want to compare it, let's open both. So this is the one we just resized, and the other one, the original one. I'll just put it right here, and then we can compare them. So let's just zoom in on here. So you can clearly see that the quality has not been affected noticeably, and the size of the picture has been reduced a lot. So that way you can save a lot of disk space on your system. And what if you want to convert all these pictures together? Let's delete this one, and for that Adobe Photoshop has a very good algorithm. So you need to go to File and then Scripts, Image Processor. Here we have to select the folder. Where are the pictures on this computer? I'll just select it. Now I have selected this folder where these pictures are present, but there is another folder present. So if you want to include all the subfolders, you can just tick this one to include subfolders, and otherwise you can just select the folder if you want to do the pictures in that folder. So here are two options now. The second one is, where do you want to save the pictures? You want to save them in the same location. And then the third one is, what file type? Save as JPEG. Definitely the original one is JPEG. I will go for the JPEG. That is a very good compressed format. So you can either resize, you can tell it the dimensions to resize the pictures, or you can just tell it the quality. That is the best one. I keep the maximum quality and just tell it to process the images, and you will see how the size of the pictures changes without losing their quality. So I'll just keep the quality 10, and then I'll click run. So it will run the script on all the images. Let's have a look. Run. It is processing all those images one by one automatically, and yep, we are done. So now you will have a folder named JPEG in your original folder, where you can see, you have seen the original sizes of the images. Let's have a quick look. 5 MB, 5.0 MB, 6.8 MB, 2.7 and 2.5. So now let's have a look on the compressed ones. The one with 5 MB it is now 2 MB, 6 MB, that is also 2 MB, 2.7 MB, 2.10, 1.8 MB, and you can see that there is no quality loss. And you can even go for 8 quality instead of 10 with more compression and reduced file size. So this way you can process any folder with any number of pictures in that folder using Adobe Photoshop. I hope you will have enjoyed the video. If you have any comments or suggestions, or you want me to make a video on something else, some other option of the computers, you can just comment in the comment section, and I'll see you in that video. So until that, bye bye.